Mm, mm, mm. Welcome back, Glam team. It's your good Diana back with another video. Y'all, I know I haven't posted in 2 months. Like, oh my gosh, like it feels so weird to be back. Like I'm camera shy again. But I'm so glad to be back and do a new makeup video. Well, it's a get ready with me video, as you can tell by the title, and as you can tell I'm also like blinded by this ring light. So yeah, but anyway, we're doing a get ready video with me because I have to go see my nephew-in-law. I have to go to his little birthday thing that they having today, so I'm getting ready and you guys will be taking the journey with me. But thank you for 200 subscribers. I know I have not been posting, but I've been gaining subscribers. But yeah, thank you for 280 subscribers. Road to 300, road to 500, road to 1,000. Okay, and also follow me on TikTok, guys. It's by Diana, same thing as my YouTube channel. Okay, but anyway, enough talking. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. All right, guys, it's been so long since I've been on YouTube, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. As you can see, I already got my eyebrows done. Yeah, I already got my eyebrows on. I'm using today Fenty Beauty, and the color 450. And yeah, I bought this yesterday because I miss my Fenty Beauty foundation. Like, I love it. But anyway, guys, I've been gone because your girl feels like she's not getting recognized, and my videos don't get that. I mean, they get views, I'm not gonna lie, they get a little view, but I be feeling like people don't interact. Like, y'all don't be commenting. Like, you don't be commenting and showing that y'all want to watch me. So I be getting discouraged, which it shouldn't matter. People are not commenting, so yeah. And also, not even that, I don't got, let me not make excuses because I do have Thursdays and Fridays to post now. But I just started a full-time job. But I work from home and I don't really have time to film like that. And when I am off, like, I like to chill, you know, like chill. You gotta beat that face. I like to chill and relax and catch on my sleep that I've been missing and stuff like that. So I barely have time, and that shouldn't be an excuse, you know, especially if I want to be successful on YouTube. Like, what? I have to work even when I'm tired. But yeah, but that's why I haven't been on YouTube. Plus, I haven't been getting ideas, and I be lazy. I'm not even gonna lie, I be lazy. I be lazy, so lazy. I need an editor. I mean, I do got an editor. I got my cousin. Get that neck. Get that neck. Y'all, it's the foundation for me. It's the foundation for me. Y'all got this story time that's coming, but it might not be posted until like a couple of years. So yeah. So today I'm gonna be using, this is like an everyday makeup. This is literally what I do every day. Like, it's not a specific, it's like light beat. I mean, I don't know. It's like, it's regular makeup. I do this every day, every time I wear my makeup. So okay, so I'm gonna be using the NK makeup concealer. Hold on. Excuse my nails. This concealer best concealer. I tried using the YouTubers concealers, the concealer, the LA Pro. I don't like LA Pro concealer. I mean, it's alright, but I don't like it. I like this. It's lightwear, it has full coverage, and I just love this concealer. And I have another one that's even lighter, that's in the color 7. I usually use this for under my eyes, and then I use this for my eyebrows on top, so it won't be like dramatic. But yeah, anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna put that under my eyes, under my eyes, under my eyes. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm planning to get my own place soon, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to be a big girl. I'm starting to be a big girl now. I hate putting concealer on my chin. It just looks ugly to me. I don't know how people do it. But I'm gonna pat this in. Well, I like this better, the sponge. Better than the brush. I see why people use Beauty Blender for the under eye, because oh my god, yes. Bring it up. Put over the eye. What? But anyway, y'all, happy New Year's, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's New Year's first video 2 months later, or no, we're still in January, so happy New Year's, boo. I forgot what I got for Christmas. Oh yeah, you see this big wardrobe thing? That's what I got for Christmas for my sister. I got what else did I get for Christmas? I be forgetting. What the hell did I get for Christmas? I got so much stuff, like I don't remember. Oh yeah, I got a lot of purses. My boyfriend gave me this perfume. He gave me this makeup eyeshadow palette. Like, he gave me some cute stuff, like, and I love it. I still haven't. Ooh, I'm gonna wear that perfume today and see if he liked the perfume that he bought me. It's so cute. It's shaped like a rose, or it is a rose, and then yeah. Blend that bad boy. Blend that bad boy. Blend, 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 blend. And then the nose, and then the nose. The nose, don't like, especially if you want it to be pointy, blend it, but don't like blend it, you know? Like, you see how it's still showing a little bit rather than here? So, and then bend the rest of the pieces like under your lip, or I said under your lip, above your lip, so that it could give like that, you know, not overthink it. And you go over with your brush and just blend everything out. The brush that you use your foundation with, so you could add some color. Go over the nose, over the, and yeah. Today I'm using the Fit Me in the color, it's 35 Deep Fonts. That's what it's called. My what's they called? My nieces-in-law be playing with my makeup, so some powder was left, was gone. I ain't had no more. Ooh. And then you're gonna, oops, you're gonna tap it and then add under the eye, just like that. That was a lot. Ooh, that's a lot. Don't put that much, because it's gonna take longer for you to dust that out. Ugh. Yeah. And then same thing to the other side. See, this is how it's supposed to look. Not like this. That was a lot. Fluffy brush and brush everything out. So for the rest of my cheeks and stuff, I don't like putting powder there. I just like it to look like this, but sometimes I do. And when I do use Fit Me. It's a darker tone. This color is in 40 dark. That's a dark. Is in 40 dark profound. And then I will put on my cheek and stuff, like, you know, let's say if I get a light foundation and it's not looking good, so I will put that over. But in this case, this is my color on Fenty, so I don't need it. And then I'm gonna put my eyeliner. This is from the hair store. Any eyeliner, you know, is up to you. And I'm gonna outline. I don't contour my cheeks, so. And today I don't feel like putting any what's that thing called? Ooh, that just burned. Any eyeshadow on today, so yeah. I'm gonna use my, what is called, mascara. I forgot. I don't know where I got this from, but I got it from somewhere. And then yeah, we're gonna mascara the eyelashes. The eyelashes I don't got anymore, but you gotta stare. Okay. My lashes, they are mink. I bought them in a hair store for like $6, so really pretty pricey. That's why I only bought one, cause I don't got money laying around to be buying lashes every day. Cause no. Gonna use the back of these, put it on these, whatever. Okay, using my e.l.f. little palette, I'm gonna take the darkest shade and contour my nose. That's the only thing I contour, my nose. You're gonna draw a line on your nose. And that's why I told you, do not blend, but don't blend the nose area too much. Using my highlighter, I'm gonna highlight under my eyebrow bone, whatever eye bone, my tail, and do the same thing for the other side. And I like to do a little piece and then a little piece right here. And then I like to do the top of my lips to give it some definition. And then you're gonna add some more lip gloss. And I'm done with my all-day makeup. So this is my finishing look. I'm gonna take my hair down now. I got braids on. It's time to take these braids off though. I ain't even gonna lie. Looking a little crusty. Okay. Right here. Ooh, that look cute. And then, you know, we got the Glam, because, you know, Glam team. You already know. We're gonna add it right on below it. Because, you know. And that's the hairstyle, and that's the makeup. Okay. Well, guys, thank you for watching, and Happy New Year's, guys, and thank you for watching this video, this get ready with me video. It was fun filming again. Like, I just love filming again. It felt so good to film, and yeah, just keep looking out for more videos. Go subscribe to my couple channel, Augusto and Diana, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get to 300 subscribers, maybe 500, maybe 1,000. You know, the goal is 1,000, but we gotta take it slow, like always. That don't matter, but yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at x___d and TikTok by Diana, same as my YouTube channel. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye guys.